Before we start this walking tour, here is something most people don't realize. Some of the most beautiful, luxurious, and culturally rich places near Toronto are hiding in plain sight, and many people drive past them without ever stopping. Today, we are exploring Kleinburg, Ontario, a village with European charm, world-class art, hidden nature trails, incredible dining, and even a surprising Hollywood connection. I'm Natasha Hamilton, Luxury Realtor with eXp Realty Brokerage. And if you enjoy educational community tours like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. And check out my other videos on YouTube and check out the helpful links in the description below. Kleinburg is located in Vaughan, Ontario, and what makes it special is that it feels like you have left the city, even though you really have not. It sits roughly 35 kilometers from Toronto and is often about a 38-minute drive, depending on traffic, making it an easy escape without the long commute. That quick getaway feeling is a big reason buyers and relocation clients ask about Kleinburg because you get boutique charm, walkability, and a luxury lifestyle without feeling far away. Kleinberg's story begins in the Humber River Valley. In 1848, John Nicholas Klein purchased about 83 acres west of Islington Avenue and built the sawmill and grits mill, which attracted workers and families and helped form an early village core. Over time, the community grew around the river and local industry. The name Kleinburg comes from German roots meaning small mountain, which reflects the rolling landscape that still defines the area today. Our tour begins at the heart of Kleinburg, where Islington Avenue meets Nashville Road. This is where you immediately feel the village character through preserved heritage buildings, boutique storefronts, cafes, galleries, and an inviting walkable streetscape. The scale feels human and relaxed, encouraging people to slow down, explore on foot, and enjoy the atmosphere, which is big reason why visitors and future residents fall in love with this area. One of the best hidden heritage details here in the Klein House, also known as the Henry Stark Howland House, built around 1858 at 8 Nashville Road. So it is easy to walk past without noticing, but it quietly tells the story of Kleinberg's early years. So what makes this special is that history is not separated from daily life here. It is built directly into the streetscape and adds authenticity and depth to the village experience. A major 2026 update is the City of Vaughan's Kleinburg Village Improvements Project. So expected to be completed by summer 2026. The work focuses on improved walkability, roadways, upgrades, and refined streetscaping so the village core is more comfortable and enjoyable for pedestrians while preserving its character. So, from a lifestyle perspective, these upgrades matter because they elevate curb appeal and enhance the overall experience for residents and visitors. Feinberg's food scene is one of the biggest surprises. For a small village, the variety of quality of dining are impressive, influenced by Vaughan's strong Italian community and broader culinary culture. You will find cozy cafes, upscale date night options, and a relaxed brunch scene that encourages people to slow down and enjoy the atmosphere, making food an important part of the Kleinberg lifestyle. Balzac's Cafe Rosters is a perfect example of the village vibe, inspired by grand Parisian cafes and designed for lingering rather than rushing. It is a great stop during a walking tour to grab a coffee, sit for a moment, and watch the village just go by. These small experiences create the refined, relaxed energy that makes Kleinburg memorable. Kleinburg is built for slow exploring, and that shows in its sweet shops and boutiques. Artisan chocolates, baked treats, and unique local finds can easily turn a simple walk into a full afternoon experience. So, this mix of small discoveries is why the village has strong day trip appeal for couples, families, and anyone looking for a charming escape. The McMichael Canadian Art Collection is a national treasure and one of the main reasons Kleinburg is internationally recognized. The gallery features more than 7,500 artworks focused on Canadian art, including the Group of Seven, and sits on about 100 acres of forested land in the Humber River Valley. So, even if you are not an art expert, the blend of architecture, culture, and nature creates a calm and inspiring experience. One of the biggest hidden gems at the McMichael is the grounds themselves. So many visitors think it's only an indoor gallery, but the trails, forests, sculpture spaces, and historical features make the visit immersive. So walking the property connects you to Canadian art and landscape in a more personal way and shows why this destination feels so special. If you are planning a 2026 visit, check the exhibition schedule because there's always something new. Highlights include Old Growth featuring a group of seven, Masterworks, and Fresh Air showcasing new acquisitions. This continual refresh keeps Kleinburg relevant year after year and gives repeat visitors a reason to come back. Now, here is a surprising twist. Kleinburg is not just historic, it is cinematic. Kleinburg Film Studios were established in 1959 and are considered one of Canada's earliest purpose-built studios. Over the decades, the area has supported film and television productions, helping earn its reputation as a part of Hollywood North while still maintaining its quiet village charm. For anyone who likes the technical side, the studios include two sound stages of roughly 10,000 square feet each, clear heights around 28 to 30 feet, and a large backlot. This rare mix of professional studio infrastructure and natural surroundings helps explain why productions continue choosing Kleinburg as a filming location. So beyond the village core, nature is a huge part of the Kleinburg experience. The Humber River, designated to the Canadian Heritage River Systems in 1999, shapes the valley landscape and supports scenic trails and peaceful viewpoints. Combination of heritage and nature creates a true escape feeling while still being within the GTA. When you combine historic charm, walkable streets, art, nature, dining, boutique shopping, and ongoing village improvements, Kleinburg feels different from anywhere else nearby. It offers a slow luxury lifestyle that people genuinely connect with, which is why visitors keep coming back and why so many buyers are drawn to this community. If you are thinking about visiting Kleinburg, relocating, buying, selling, or investing, I would love to help you make a confident move. I'm Natasha Hamilton, Luxury Realtor with eXp Realty, and I help clients every week with community comparisons, private tours, relocation guidance, and lifestyle focused real estate decisions. So you can contact me at natasha.hamilton at exprealty.com or call or text me at 226-974-6544 or visit my website, natashahamilton.ca, and you'll find additional contact options in the description below as well. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with anybody you feel would benefit from it. And I will see you guys next week.